Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way to create a booking system for in-person courses. To get started, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will bring you to the Jotform platform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. It offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a wide range of templates and themes to customize your forms. To begin using Jotform, the first step is to create an account. You will find the sign-up link in the video description. Click on the link and it will take you to the home page. On the Jotform homepage, you can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create a booking system for in-person courses using Jotform, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will give you 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create signable document. For this tutorial, select the Use template option to utilize a pre-built template. After choosing the Use template option, you will be directed to the template library. In the search bar, enter the keyword Booking Courses. Several different templates related to booking courses will appear. You can choose any of these templates, but for this tutorial we will select the first template called Course Booking Form. Click on the Use Template option to proceed to the editor. The template comes with fields to collect course details, contact information, equipment information, certificate delivery preferences, costs, and more. You can customize the template according to your specific requirements and preferences. Once you have customized the form, click on the Publish section to share or embed your form. By clicking on the Copy Link option, you can easily share the form's link with others. Additionally, selecting the Open in New Tab option will open the form in a new tab for visitors to enter their email address and choose their desired appointment. If you want to invite specific individuals to view your form, you can enter their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. Furthermore, you can download a QR code that, when scanned, will lead users to install the app on their mobile phones. To embed your form into a website, navigate to the Embed section in the left menu. Click on the Copy Code button to copy the code, which can then be pasted into any website where you want to display the booking form. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.